Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia. If this is your first time on my channel, you are highly welcome. Welcome back to another shopping haul. I know you guys like watching my shopping haul. Okay, so at the moment I'm doing weekly shopping haul. Okay, yeah guys, so today I have Lidl for you guys. I have Lidl shopping haul for you guys for the week. Okay guys, before we dive right in, let me quickly give a shout out to all my amazing members and shout out to all my amazing supporters. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to give the video a like. It's so important, guys. Please give the video a like and consider subscribing if you enjoy watching shopping haul. All right guys, so let's dive right in. I'll try my best and tell you guys the prices in case you want to go to Lidl and get some Lidl food for the week. Okay, all right guys, let's dive right in. And this is for 6 of us. Okay, 6 of us. Okay guys, so let's dive right in. Okay guys, so everything in this haul cost me £70.93p. That's my receipt here. Is it focusing? It's focusing. I want it to focus. Yeah guys, anyway, Lidl, that's it. Okay, so everything cost me £70. £70. So this is going to focus. Yeah guys, there it is. £70.93p. All right guys, so let's start from here. So over here we have some shortbread finger biscuits. Okay guys, every week price of everything always go up. Every time I go to the shop, things always increase in price, so it's a bit weird now. Okay, so this biscuit now, this shortbread is now 59p for one. Originally it was 45p. Okay guys, it's now 59p for one. I bought 3 of them. Okay, and then the next item there is that we have cream crackers, which are this one here. I hardly buy these though, but they were 30p before, but they are now 40p. Okay guys, so I bought 2 of them, as you can see there. I also got some ginger nuts. They were normally they used to be 35p, but they are now 39p. I bought 2 of them over there. And then what else do we have? Okay, so we have the wipe. I bought some wipe. I think I'll show you guys the wipe when I get to the other end of the table. So I got this. There are 15 eggs. I got 3 of the eggs. The eggs are £1.35 each. I got three crates. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there's 15 in a box. Okay, and then of course I got some bread. The bread are here. There's 4 breads. So you guys can see there's 4 bread. Each of the bread is 36p for one. So I got 4 of them. Okay, so over here, this is the wipe over there. So this wipe is to wipe the surface, but I mainly use it for the bin, for my bin in the kitchen. Okay, the wipe is 85p. Okay guys, okay, so let's move on. And then I got some incontinent pad, which is pad. You know, if you're a lady, you know what this is. Okay, so I got 3 of this pad. 3 of this pad. This pad used to be 80p. It's now 99p, okay? I got 3 of them down there. There's 3 of them. Okay, guys, so let's continue going. And then, moving down to this side, I got some croissants. Where are the croissants? Oh, they're over here. Okay, guys, the croissants are £1.9p. I got 2 of them. So these are £1.9p each. Every item I'm telling you is the each. So times 2 or times 3, okay? You can work out the math. I'm sure you're very brilliant and clever. So, yeah, guys, thanks so much. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you all so much. I love you all for your support. You're all amazing and wonderful. Okay, so our croissant is £1.9p. I got 2 of them. Okay, God bless you all so much for always watching my shopping haul, for always enjoying it. I'm so grateful. Thank you guys. Thanks so much. Okay, so over here we have some bagels, plain bagels. The bagels are 79p. I got 3 of them. The prices have also changed anyway, but it's 79p. So I got 3 of them, as you can see. The next item we have is spice. So I'm just going according to my receipt, guys. Yes, I'm going according to my receipt so that I won't forget any of the price. So we have rosemary. I bought this rosemary. There it is. Rosemary. The rosemary is 49p, guys. And then I also bought garlic. The garlic is 59p. Let me show you guys the garlic. That's the garlic. 59p for the garlic. I also bought butter flavored oil. Butter flavored oil. I think it's probably this one here. Yeah, it is butter flavored for frying. It's £1.70. Let me see, £1.75, guys. I bought only one. Okay, and then I bought this aromat. I bought this aromat from Lidl. Yes, Lidl sells it in case you are interested. The aromat is £1.9p. And then I got some evaporated milk. Moving down to the middle of the table again. I got some evaporated milk. I got 8. Each of the evaporated milk. English. Please give the video a thumbs up, guys. Please, please, I'm begging. Give it a thumbs up and share it. Okay. So I got 8 evaporated milk. Each of them is 55p for one. Okay, guys. So the 8 of them is £4.40p. And then we got some sugar, which is over here. Okay, so the sugar at 69p, I got just 2 of them, as you guys can see over there. And I also got some plain flour. Okay, the flour at 65p, I got 2 of them, so you guys can see already over there. I also got some tin sweet corn. I just felt like eating sweet corn. I haven't bought this for so long. It's 49p. Okay, yeah, I only got just one of it for 49p. And also I got some mayonnaise, which are over here, lighter version. They are 49p each. I bought 2 of them. I got over here, let's move down to the side. Okay, guys, so over here I got some jumbo pork hot dogs, £3.85, which is this one over here, £3.85. And then I got the sweet chili. I got sweet chili sauce. But before I show you guys the sweet chili sauce, let me show you guys this other sausage here. This big chili cheese hot dog, £3.29. This one right here, it's £3.29. Okay, and then I'm going to show you guys the sweet chili sauce, which is right over here, somewhere in the table here. The sweet chili sauce is 95p. So I got 2 of them, guys. I got 2 of them. Can you guys see them over there? Yeah, 2 of them. Okay, so coming back to the other end of the table, we have some chestnut mushroom. I haven't eaten this mushroom for a while, so I thought I would buy one so I can do like a stir fry with it. It tastes nutty, kind of nice. Okay, it's 89p for this pack. Okay, guys, it's mushroom. Okay, so coming down here to the end of this table here, we have ham, sliced ham for sandwich. I got 3 of these. Okay, they are down there, as you can see. I also got some cheddar cheese. So the ham is £1.69. The cheese here is £1.59. I got 3 of each. Okay, I also got some foil wrapping paper, if I can find it. The foil wrapping paper is about 65p. Okay, it's down here. There it is there. I don't know if the camera is focusing. Yeah, there's this there. Okay, 65p. And I got some, I've not bought Dr. Pepper, this one, this drink. It's like Pepsi for a very long time. So I thought I would get it today. It's £1.49, guys. And I also find Lint. Lint is also £1.49. Is it Lint you call it, or Lint? I don't know. Pineapple and grapefruit. £1.49 each of them. And then I also got this summer fruit, £1.90. Okay, let's move the bagel so you can see it. Okay, there you are. Summer fruit, £1.90p. Tropical, £1.15. Okay, guys, let's put this one back. Then we'll come down here to the table, and we got some ice cube. The ice cube is £1 over there. It's melting, but I'll put it in the freezer pretty soon. Please smash the like button of this video and share it, guys. Thank you so much. You're all wonderful and amazing. Please help me share my video so my video can be getting more views. At least I'm trying to show you guys, tell you guys the price. In case you have a large family like me, you're able to know how much I spend sometimes a week. Okay, guys, please help me share my videos out. I will really appreciate it, and God bless you guys. Okay, so let's move on. We got some skimmed milk here. Okay, this is 6 pint one. Okay, so one is £2.15. So I bought two, guys. You can see, I got two of them. And then I got this split pot yogurt for the children. It's £1.99 for one. I bought two of them. And then we have our shredded wheat. My children like shredded wheat. Okay, so I normally tend to get this, or I get the one from Aldi, or sometimes the one from Asda, or the one from Tesco's. Sometimes I buy the branded one as well. Okay, so but these ones are more affordable. So mini wheats, they call it here. I bought two. They are £1.49 each. Okay, guys, we are nearly done with this shopping haul. So one more last thing is the tomato here. The tin tomato is the pea plum tomato. I got 12. One is 28p, guys. It's quite nice, actually. I've tried it, so I know it's good. Okay, 28p for one. I bought the crate. There's 12 in the box, in the little carton there. All right, guys, so this is everything in this haul. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it if you can give this video a thumbs up for me. If you can share it. Okay, guys, share it, okay, to your friends and family. So everything in this haul cost me £70, 93p exact on the dot. That's my Lidl shop of the week. Okay, thanks so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed already, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and you enjoy watching shopping haul vlogs, cooking. Yeah, guys, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in my next shopping haul. Thanks so much for watching. God bless you all. I appreciate you all for always coming back to watch my videos. Love you all. Bye.